The universe is like the expertly tuned technology of a luxury Swiss watch, where everything is connected. As soon as one part fails, the entire structure collapses. But the difference is, watchmakers know everything about watches, while astronomers know almost nothing about the universe. It seems that astronomers have already studied a lot. So the illusion fades as soon as new gases appear in the space. It was located at a distance of 251 million light-years from Earth. There is an anomaly in gravity at such gigantic proportions that people cannot even remotely imagine. So it is likely that the huge mass of many galaxies, its weight is equivalent to about 105 masses of the Milky Way Galaxy. If the anomaly is named epic, it is the Great Attractor, so it can be likened to the super effect on surrounding galaxies. Buzzard Hamelin. Pied Piper of Hamelin. Piper Hamel. He charmed the children of the town of Hamelin, Germany by playing a melody on his flute. He led them out of town to a cave that was closed behind them. No one saw them after that. In any case, here the Great Attractor resembles the legendary Pied Piper of Hamelin, who pulls the blanket of the universe, which attracts the Milky Way and other galaxies, into a terrible spiral. Crime is heading towards a great collapse at a speed of 600 kilometers per second. But what kind of combination is irreversible, caused by galaxies themselves? It is possible to consider. Scientists have studied the visible parts of the sky relatively well, but it does not allow for a comprehensive investigation of the attractor because of an obstacle that cannot be overcome. It is our Milky Way Galaxy. The hyperfield is located in the avoidance zone or nebula. It is a region hidden from Earth's observatories in the disk of our galaxy. Dust clouds don't let us know what lies behind it. Hence, standard methods do not work here. But using Chinese rays and infrared rays, astronomers hardly distinguished the silhouette of this gravity monster, which magnetically attracts everything within its radius. 250 to 301 million light-years or more, according to recent estimates. The Great Attractor contains about 650 galaxies. It turns out that apart from the effects of internal gravity on us, this gravitational monster also affects us. Furthermore, scientists appreciate it too. This factor represents 44% of the total force. For all the attractive power, final judgment is that all known galaxies have been moving for billions of years, heading towards the Great Attractor. Where is the Great Attraction located? Since navigators for spaceships have not been invented yet, therefore, the exact coordinates of the crime are unknown. However, the approximate location is quite clear. This constellation is located in the southern hemisphere. In principle, superclusters would not surprise the universe. We ourselves live in one of them. The constellation is called Virgo. It, in turn, belongs to the Laniakea cluster. It is a supergalactic galaxy that is considered home to the Milky Way Galaxy. Do you think the account has expired? Okay, no. Not finished yet. All known objects are attracted to the norma. Therefore, you are attracted to the Great Attractor. What a perfectly thought-out harmonious series. Recently discovered and interesting. When scientists tried to form a computer model of the taking into account all known as a result, no attractor appeared, which should not simply appear, but denying its existence means not believing your eyes. This will make a puzzle. Astrophysicists are always active. Become true. What is the function? Many scientists believe that this is a strange place. It is a unique coordination center. Matter gradually flows downward from all corners of the universe. matter has accumulated for a long time to merge into large aggregates, like the dust behind the wardrobe. Then one day, 0 hour came and matter rushed to one center. This, according to some scholars, is the mechanics of the process, which was launched 1,310 billion years ago, during the Big Bang. To rephrase the idea away from the point for which we came, we will do it again, as there are other, more exaggerated theories. For example, the Great Attractor is sometimes associated with the multiverse theory, which do not come into contact with each other and be radically different. But if you believe this hypothesis, once something happens, it must happen. The protective outer shell of our world will be torn apart. And now through the Great Attractor, galaxies will gradually and inevitably be drawn into another alien world. But let us now move from unexpected assumptions to reality. Everything is moving towards the attractor, but where is it heading by itself? Astronomers at Hawaii University have identified the path of the supercollision, which is called Chabri. It is 65 million kilograms meters away from our galaxy. The type It is 4 times heavier than the Great Attractor. It ranks first in size among known formations. For the current universe, the supercollision of the Shipley group is considered. It is the strongest center of gravity, where literally all beings of the visible universe are transferred to it. A legitimate question arises. What will happen when all the matter of space comes together at some point, at one of the centers of gravity? Well, a new Big Bang will follow and it will all begin again, or perhaps cosmic portals will open to another dimension. Or something even more impressive will happen. While scientists guess, that's normal people, they also have time to think about this matter. Should we be afraid of the Great Attractor? For us, our children, our grandchildren, and our great-grandchildren, we certainly won't be afraid, and then who knows what will happen. Some scientists discuss the theory that the Milky Way Galaxy will never reach the Great Attractor, because dark energy will inevitably tear apart the Norma cluster, which lies at the heart of the Laniakea supercluster. The other groups will remain the same, but the latter will not apply to those galaxies, which they already fell, or they will soon find themselves in the jaws of the Great Attractor. To begin with, it will dehydrate them and deprive them of hydrogen reserves. The end of such galaxies is certain death in complete darkness, with no hope of reincarnation one day. In the end, we hope that thinking about the attraction has brightened your day. Watch our channel and enjoy, we hope in the end, to increase knowledge and knowledge of the secrets of this great universe.